How to track your Cash App card. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can easily track your Cash App card through your Cash App itself or through the web. Starting off, you can launch a Cash App application and make sure to log in using your Cash App credential. After that, once you have successfully logged in, tap on the Activity tab on your Cash App home screen. There you will see the option of transaction. Select on the transaction button. After that, you'll be able to check every order withdrawal within your Cash App card. Now to access your activity online, log in to cash.app/account. Make sure you are logged in. On the left hand side, click on the option of activity. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate the transfer. You can filter it by date and time. Then click on the transfer to open more details and check out the status. If you need more help, you can check out the Cash App support and select on Start a Chat or call at the given number. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.